You. New tonight, Attorney General Chris Mays is suing a leading symbol of Arizona's struggle to manage its water supply. Mays alleges that a Saudi Arabian alfalfa grower's excessive use of water is illegally harming the health and the welfare of Western Arizona residents.
12 News journalist Bram Resnick tells us why Mays' relatively untested legal theory might not get the water turned off. Bram?
Yeah, Mark, since taking office almost 2 years ago, Attorney General Chris Mays has been on a mission to rein in the agriculture industry's unlimited use of Arizona's limited groundwater supply. But a legal expert cautions that Mays is taking on an ag business that has the law on its side. Tiny La Paz County is sinking.
And they can literally plug a straw in the ground and start pumping water, and there's absolutely no restrictions.
The culprit, many say, is the Saudi Arabian-owned farm in Vicksburg that's pumping vast amounts of groundwater to grow alfalfa for shipment back to Saudi Arabia.
We're a small county, but you know what? We matter. The people matter.
Private well owners are having to pay big money to dig deeper for water. A church's well has run dry.
This is not just a legal issue, it is a moral one.
Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays is taking up the cause. She's suing Fondamonte, Arizona, based on a rarely tested theory that the alfalfa farm's unlimited water use makes it a public nuisance that's harming this Western Arizona community.
Arizona law is clear on this point. No company has the right to endanger an entire community's health and safety for its own gain.
Fondamonte's alfalfa farms have been under a microscope for a decade, a symbol of Arizona's struggle to manage a diminishing water supply. Last year, Democratic Governor Katie Hobbs terminated the company's lease of state-owned land in the Butler Valley. 3 other leases weren't renewed. But according to one legal expert, Mays' suit faces long odds.
You rarely, if ever, see successful public nuisance claims brought against agricultural practices. You'd have to show that they were pretty dangerous.
Rhett Larson is a professor of water law at Arizona State University. He says state law was written to protect ag interests.
The influence of agriculture in the state has allowed it to pursue significant, statutory protections against these kind of lawsuits.
Attorney General Chris Mays wants the court to block what the lawsuit calls excessive groundwater pumping by Fondamonte and create a fund to fix problems caused by depleted groundwater supplies. Fondamonte, Arizona issued this response to the lawsuit. We find the allegations totally unfounded, and we will defend our rights vigorously before the competent authorities. Bram